Hello guys, welcome to Basic Value, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to turn off the sound effects in Duolingo. So first you want to log into your account, and then you need to go to this dashboard right here, as you can see, and then look to the left side of your screen. So you would see leaderboards, quests, shop, profile, and more. Now you just simply need to click on more and then settings, and then you just simply need to flick this switch right here to turn off the sound effects in Duolingo. So that's how easy it is, guys. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to Basic Value for more videos like this.